how to add Facebook pixel to Shopify. So right here, first I'm going to click on apps from the left hand side, and I'm just going to search for Facebook pixel. If it doesn't appear, then we have to choose search Facebook pixel in the Shopify App Store. And now you will be able to see different types of Facebook pixels here. So we can choose whichever one we would like. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do this Facebook Pixel Conversions API. If we click on install here, it will work through add trace, and basically it will ask us for permissions here. And we have to click on install, so it will be able to view our customers, products, orders, store analytics, and online store. If we click on install here, then this will actually take us to the add trace page, and it has a subscription fee here. So as you can see, we have to add a subscription fee or pay a subscription fee. But basically, after we have connected this, it will just ask us for our Facebook pixel information, and once we type it out, it will automatically connect our Facebook pixel with our Shopify store here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.